Shit is nice. I like the car so far. It drives pretty cool. I don't know why everybody gotta talk shit about Elon, man. What did Elon do? What the fuck did Elon Musk do to you motherfuckers? But hey, let's get into it. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Booster Villain, and we're back with another one. And today we're cutting up through traffic right now. I'm on my way. I'm with my boys. We're going to get a Tesla Model 3. So let's get into it, man. We out. All right, guys, so we're here. This is the car. You don't have to hide, nigga. You don't have to hide. We're here. This is the whip. That shit look pretty nice. I'm fucking with it. Blue, that's my favorite color. The window is actually already tinted, so actually look good, man. So, hey, man, we're gonna get it. Guys, we finally making it happen. We're getting a motherfucking Tesla Model 3. This car is going on Turo. Man, it is nice. That is my favorite color. We're making it happen right now. So, like, I would say 15, 20 minutes or so, we should be taking this car home. So, there she is. All right, guys, as you can see, we're in a fucking Tesla, bro. We in the motherfucking Tesla right now. We're not even driving. We're not even driving right now, bro. Hey, it is what it is, man. But guys, finally, we got it, man. We got the Tesla. We're driving back to the trenches. Let's fucking get it, man. So, guys, I don't know how fucking illegal this is, but I've been stuck at traffic for like fucking a couple hours now, so I decided to fucking risk it. So let's go. I got a couple of people following me, so it is what it is.
State of emergency. He is urging everyone to stay off the roads unless absolutely necessary. Some schools will be closed in the morning.
No surprise here. Water inundated the parkways. The water rose to the roof.
So because of the flood, guys, I did not get a chance to take the car home. I had to park it all the way down the street. But nevertheless, we're good. We're walking towards the car right now. I'll show you guys a little bit excited. Right now, we have to go to the airport. I got to pick up a Ford Edge. I got to pick up my boy Ford Edge. And we got to go wash it and get it ready for the next trip. So let's go. Here she is. Damn, we definitely got to go clean this thing up. And we definitely got to go on a POV drive, man. We got to do that. Shit is nice. I like the car so far. It drives pretty cool. I don't know why everybody got to talk shit about Elon, man. What did Elon do? What the fuck did Elon Musk do to you motherfuckers? But hey, let's get into it.